Hello everybody, welcome to the surprise video. Today we are unboxing my new keyboard. It's the Newmen GM610. It is a wireless wired mechanical keyboard for $50 on Amazon. And we're gonna see if it's worth it. And we'll see. So let's get to the unboxing. I'm gonna unbox this first because I don't know the YouTube rules with knives and stuff, so I don't want to have that on camera. So I'll just cut to the actual box. So here is the keyboard box itself. Obviously, you can see Newmen G610. It was $49.97 on Amazon, so I'm just gonna say $50. It's like $8 off for now, so I wouldn't say it's the greatest deal. You need to get it now. But we'll see how good the keyboard is, the quality, and all that stuff. So here's the box. We're going to flip that over. And here you can see, you can switch the keys, whatever color you want. Here are the features. First off, we have a high-quality RGB backlit mechanical gaming keyboard. Like I said, they're a blue switch. I have school, so I type a lot. So to be honest with you, I would have got red switches, but I'm not a full-time gamer, so it is what it is. Full key anti-ghosting. Double injection durable keycaps, wired plus Bluetooth 3.0 and 5.0. I'm going to use it in Bluetooth because I want to reduce my wire management in my setup. It comes with an attached set of keycaps, so another one too. It comes with it. RGB backlit, and the switches are hot swappable. So let's get into the box. So this is what the unboxing experience will be like. So nice. Let's try to this. I'm doing this one hand, so it's kind of hard. Put that there. So first off, we have braided USB. Can you focus that there? Focus. USB Type C. We're not focusing here. Why are we not focusing? There we go. So white braided. Here we have some switches. Focus, please. So here's some switches. Keycap remover. I know it's not focusing, but give it a second. It should do it. Anytime. Oh, this is pain, man. Is it because my hand's moving? Oh, there we go. That's better. So here you are. So 4 switches, keycap remover. Nice. Next up is the actual keyboard itself. We're gonna try to be careful. It's hefty. I can definitely tell it's hefty. And this is what I was talking about, the book. Your book's always important. Always important. Nobody reads it though. And here's what I'm talking about the keycaps. There's just an extra color variant. So this one here is white. And it comes with blue and red. So I might mess around with those. I might go blue. I got this Galaxy mousepad. So I'm going to get everything out and we can start reviewing the keyboard. So here's the keyboard out of its little plastic jail cell. I'm just going to click around some keys so you can see how it sounds. This is blue, so it's going to be louder than what you think. So here we go. Again, I'm doing this with one hand, so spare my typing. So let's plug this thing in. If I can do this with one hand here. There we go. And there's the RGB. Let there be lights. I'm going to grab the manual real quick to tell you guys, if you did buy it, how to connect it Bluetoothly. Because I'm going to not Bluetoothly. How to connect it using Bluetooth. Because I don't think I'm going to show you guys how to do that with one hand. So, Here we go. You can read that there. If yours didn't come with one or whatever. So you can have 3 Bluetooth devices on this thing. That's useful because you can use it on your phone, which you may say, why in the world would I use a Bluetooth keyboard on my phone? I don't know why, but you can. So I'm going to try it out on PS4, and I can give you a another video about how I thought about it. Okay, this is German. So we're going to... Okay, so download and install software driver from newmentech.com. You can customize the black white effect, function, and the buttons. So we're going to go do that, and I can actually... I'll show you the app, I guess. So I just downloaded the app, and here it is. It's actually pretty self-explanatory. You can do your macros, gamers. Let's calm down on those. Your key settings, so you can customize your keys. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't know what I want to do, if I really want to do that. So, neon, okay. I'll show you what it does for keyboard, what it will do for keyboard. Sorry. So we can do Rainbow Roulette, which is just various colors. Sorry about that. There we go, we're back. We can do Retro Snake. Pretty cool. You guys want to? I don't think I'm gonna go through all of them. We can do customize. Okay, so just make your own color. Cool. Let's do diagonal transformation. That's cool. It looks a little bit worse on the camera because it just does. It is what it is. And we're going to do one more. Serpentine Horse Race. That's a interesting one. Okay, that's interesting. I'm going to do one more ASMR sounds for you guys. And then that'll be the end of this unboxing video. So, here's how you set up the Bluetooth. You do not want it to be wired in. Do not connect it to the USB-C cable. As you can see here, tab is blue. And Q is glowing up because it is saying, not mean to click that. But Q is glowing saying, Bluetooth 1 is connecting. So remember, you can have 3 devices on this thing, which is pretty cool. So here's the Newmen 5.0. We connect to that. And we're just like that. Just like that, we're connected. Again, here's the RGB that I chose. Very nice effect. And look at that, 100% charged. Again. Oh, where'd it go? There you go. I will do a in-depth video of all of this. I'll even do a TikTok. If you want to check out my TikTok out, I'm a little bit bigger there than I am on YouTube, but it's okay. So, again, $50. The only thing comparable to this thing really is the RK61, because that's just top dog for $50 wireless keyboards. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I just realized that my Red Dead video that I just posted today did not have any in-game audio. And I'm mad, because there's captions for when the people were talking, so we're not totally screwed there, but I promise next time I won't do that again. Peace out, ladies and gentlemen.